What it does. Linux user and group management is a crucial aspect of system administration, allowing you to create, manage, and control access for users and groups on a Linux system.
This includes creating users, assigning them to groups, granting sudo access, and enforcing password policies. Command/example. Breaking it down. Userad creates a new user account. Flags used. M creates the user's home directory and sets up the proper permissions. S specifies the shell for the user. D specifies the home directory for the user. Password sets the password for a user. Group-add creates a new group. User-mod modifies a user account. Flags used. AG adds a user to a group. Change changes the password expiration information for a user. Options used. M sets the maximum number of days a password is valid. M sets the minimum number of days before a password can be changed. W sets the number of days before password expiration that the user will be warned. ID and groups display user and group information. Common mistakes. Forgetting to set a password for a new user, which can lead to authentication issues. Not adding a user to the correct groups, resulting in permission issues. Not configuring password policies, which can lead to security vulnerabilities. Using userad without the M flag, which can result in the user's home directory not being created. Try this next. Try creating a new user with a custom home directory and shell, and then add them to multiple groups. Experiment with different password policies and verify the changes using ID, groups, and change commands. Pro tip. In production environments, it's essential to automate user and group management using tools like Ansible or Puppet to ensure consistency and reduce manual errors. Additionally, consider implementing a centralized identity management system, such as LDAP or Active Directory, to manage users and groups across multiple systems.